Okay, chair crunch. Feet are flat on the floor, arms across your chest, elbows on thighs. Back is going to be rounded over so you can squeeze your abs. So once you're in position, it's going to be a squeeze, pushing elbows into thighs, squeezing down. We're not trying to suck up. So he's going to squeeze for 5 seconds, then he's going to go across, squeeze and hold 5 seconds, squeezing the same spot just below the belly button, and then across this way, squeeze and hold 5 seconds. The key is be relaxed when you go down. Once you get there, then squeeze and hold for 5 seconds. All right, then the butt squeeze, he's just gonna go hands on his hips, standing up nice and tall, squeeze cheeks, hold 5 seconds. If you feel this get tight in your back, that usually means you're leaning too far back. So just stand back up nice and straight. You should only feel butt cheeks, not thighs, not abs. Both of these exercises are just focused on one muscle. Once you feel it engaged, you're good. Okay, lunge walk with the twist. So he's gonna step out, left foot step, twist to the left. Right foot step, twist to the right, head stays forward. Turn around and come back. Notice his body is upright. We're not leaning forward. We're just turning to the side that we step with. Knee goes down to the ground on the back foot, and knee comes over the front foot on the front. All right, now crossover walk with the squat. This is the sideways one. So cross over, touch the ground, cross behind, touch the ground, round your back over, reach for the ground, should feel like a pretzel. Notice as he heads back, once again, knee is coming forward over the toes, and the back foot is just there for balance. So all the weight's on the front foot, back toes are on the ground just for balance.